Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. If you thought BMW was done redefining what luxury and performance mean in an SUV, think again. This is the 2025 BMW XM, and it's not just any SUV. It's a bold, unapologetic statement that blends aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and supercar-worthy performance in one massive, unmistakable package. Whether you're a BMW enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life with a touch of madness, this one's going to grab your attention. Let's start with the design. The XM looks like it came straight from the future. Its front end is dominated by BMW's signature kidney grills, but they've gone big, literally. These aren't just grills, they're an introduction, lit up with contour lighting that gives the SUV an unmistakable face both day and night. The sharp lines, sculpted bodywork, and stacked quad exhaust tips around the back don't just say performance, they scream it. And yet, there's a level of refinement here too. The paint finishes, wheel designs, and tiny luxury details all give you that quiet reminder, this is still very much a top-tier BMW. Now let's talk about the powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 XM brings the heat with a plug-in hybrid setup that combines a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine with an electric motor. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque in the XM Label Red Edition. That's not just powerful for a hybrid SUV, that's supercar territory. And yes, it feels every bit as fast as the numbers suggest. BMW says it can sprint from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, and honestly, for a vehicle this size, that's mind-blowing. But the XM isn't just about speed. It's also about how that power is delivered. The 8-speed automatic transmission is buttery smooth, and the all-wheel drive system makes sure all that torque is put to the pavement efficiently. Whether you're cruising down the highway, carving through corners, or navigating city streets, the XM manages to feel responsive and surprisingly agile for something this big and heavy. The active roll stabilization and adaptive M suspension keep things level and planted, giving you confidence whether you're pushing hard or just enjoying the ride. Inside, the XM is pure luxury. You're immediately wrapped in high-end materials, soft leather, Alcantara, real metal, and even carbon fiber accents. The cabin feels like it was designed around the driver, with every control thoughtfully placed and every surface feeling premium. The seats are both sporty and comfortable, offering plenty of support for spirited driving while still giving you that plush, executive feel. Rear passengers aren't left out either. In fact, BMW calls it the M Lounge back there. There's more legroom than most people will ever need, the seatbacks are deeply reclined, and the attention to detail is just next level. Ambient lighting, premium audio, heated and ventilated everything. If there's a luxury feature you can think of, the XM probably has it. Tech-wise, BMW didn't hold back. The iDrive 8.5 infotainment system is housed in a massive curved display that seamlessly blends the digital instrument cluster and the central touchscreen. It's fast, intuitive, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. Voice commands work well, and the system constantly learns your preferences to make your experience smoother over time. A head-up display, wireless charging, and an absolutely phenomenal Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system round out the package. What's also impressive is the XM's electric-only mode. Thanks to a sizable battery pack, you can drive up to 30 miles without using a drop of fuel. That means for short commutes or city errands, this beast of an SUV can actually be whisper quiet and emission-free. And when you want to go full power, the transition from electric to hybrid mode is nearly seamless. It's performance and responsibility in one package. Of course, with all this luxury and performance, comes a serious price tag. The base XM starts around $160,000, and the more powerful Label Red Edition pushes that to nearly $185,000. That puts it up there with the most exclusive SUVs in the world, but BMW isn't shy about that. This car isn't meant to blend in. It's meant to stand out. And for the buyers in this market, that's exactly the point. In a world where most SUVs try to be all things to all people, the BMW XM stands alone. It's unapologetically bold, brimming with tech, dripping in luxury, and packed with power. It doesn't try to hide what it is. It celebrates it. And that's what makes it so special. Whether you see it as a performance SUV, a luxury cruiser, or just a piece of rolling art, the 2025 BMW XM is something truly unique in the automotive world. It's not for everyone, and that's exactly what makes it such a compelling machine. If you're looking for the ultimate expression of what BMW M can do in SUV form, this is it. We'll see you next video.